Welcome to HostMyText, brought to you by HostMy. Our video series will help new users and prospective customers get familiar with the basic operation and various features of the product. HostMyText is a powerful communication tool that lets your business unlock the power of texting while complying with communication laws and regulations. HostMyText allows users to text customers and other business contacts from company numbers. This avoids overlapping personal numbers and contacts with your organization-related texts. HostMyText provides a versatile desktop portal where conversations can be conducted and a wide range of management tools are available. The companion mobile app allows for the convenience of managing your HostMyText conversations from a smartphone. Multiple users can have access to the same number and conversations, allowing for call center-like capabilities where multiple employees may converse with the same contacts. Numbers can also be assigned to specific users, or with the Conversation Accessibility Pro feature, users can be given varied forms of access to specific conversations as decided by your organization. Our Basic and Pro features offer the flexibility to let customers reach you by text through a variety of means, including through our website widget and voice-initiated messaging, where a voice caller can use an auto-attendant option to begin a texting conversation.
Thank you for calling our office. For support, press 1. To begin a texting conversation with support, press 2.
Bulk messaging, schedule messaging, and auto-replies allow for more efficient and automated communications and ease of managing the opt-in process. And our Permission Management Pro feature allows for automated documentation of when and how customers opt in to receiving your SMS communications. HostMyText customers have access to our full knowledge base of tutorial videos and guides, as well as HostMy support, who are ready to assist with setup, training, and troubleshooting. Watch our HostMyText Basic, Pro, and Mobile Video Tutorials available in the Resources section of the HostMy website. Or, if you are interested in HostMyText for your business or organization, contact your authorized HostMy agent. You can also call or text 865-588-5723. You can also visit hostmy.com/text and click the Get Started button to use our self-sign-up portal. For customer support, visit hostmy.com/get support or call 1-800-434-9608.